is Martinic, and today I have this dash mount 7-inch display CarPlay to unbox. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. So it comes with a base, mounting pad base, user's guide, and the power cable. We have here the 3.5 mil audio auxiliary cable, and we have here the adjustable mount. Okay, looks like I have one cable organizer clip and the screen shade. And let's take a look at this 7-inch screen display CarPlay. So on the side we have the USB-A port, TF card, camera input, and audio, and the 12-volt plug. Alright guys, so let's see how fast this one will boot. I'm gonna plug it in. Alright, so about 18 seconds for this one to boot up. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the CarPlay, see how fast this one will load. So it found the car BT92. I'm gonna connect. Okay, it has to pair, allow, use CarPlay. So about 6 seconds when it connects to the CarPlay, not that bad. So alright guys, so now I'm in my car and I already installed this 7-inch DIY CarPlay and Android Auto. Now let's go ahead and test it again. I want to show how fast this one connects to my phone as soon as I start the car. So if you're looking to get one of these, so at least you know what you're getting. Let me go ahead and start the ignition and let's count now. So yeah, it looks like it's 18 seconds. Not that bad. By the way, I have only an iOS. I cannot test for the Android Auto. This is the home dashboard display. We have a USB SD card. USB, I don't have anything there. SD card, FM. Transmitter, and this is the quick go to home button, volume minus, volume plus, Bluetooth connection. It only connects to your device but not through the car Bluetooth connection. Setup, and here's you can set all of the settings, and the screen is very clear. It looks HD. The only problem with this one is you're gonna get some reflection, but it doesn't really bother me because I'm not always looking at the screen. It's only mainly for maps and for Spotify and music service. By the way, I did not use the mount came with this one. I just used the magnetic because I'm not gonna leave this one always on my dashboard. So I just put the metal plate here, and I got this magnetic mount on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link down in the description so you can check it out. And this one is very, you know, solid and stable. It's a bit heavy, so it no problem. So in that way it looks clean and nice, you know, looking setup here. So there you have it, guys. If you have a question about this the 7-inch DIY wireless CarPlay Android Auto, let me know on the comment section below. And what do you think, guys? If you have one of these, let me know if you like it. And I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to like this video if it is helpful, and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next one. Matt and Nick signing off.